Target about to do this deal on the Simply Summer's Eve because there is a cartwheel, a 40% off cartwheel. And we've got the $2.50 Ibotta rebate plus the $1.50 each coupon. So I'm going to buy two, get $1.50 off in the store for both of the coupons plus the 40% off. So this is going to be a great deal. Wet ones, they are $1.99 each. This is the 40 count. Now they also have a 48 count, that's $2.39, but I want to get two of the cheaper because the rebate is $1 back on two. I'm going to combine it with these two 75-cent off wet ones coupons.com coupons. Hopefully you printed them when you seen them online at coupons.com. I don't know if it's still available, but if it's not, there is a 75-cent coupon on the Target app that you can use, okay? Because there are $2.49 in Target. I'm going to buy two because there is a coupon for $1 off of two in the store that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to get back $1 for each box from Ibotta, which is going to make my end cost be $1 per box. My husband likes these for his lunch, so that'll be a good deal. Do the hefty because the hefty has a 30% cartwheel. It's $9.99, but it's 50 bags. It's got a 30% off cartwheel. Plus we got the $1 coupon, so that's going to be a good deal. It's going to bring it down to $5.99. That's a really good deal for 50 bags. Hey lovely people, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and the bell for notification if you are not already one of my lovely people. And a special shout out to Tracy. She joined my Ibotta team. Tracy, I appreciate it so much. If you guys haven't joined Ibotta, you can hit the link in the description of this video and you will get $10 when you redeem your first rebate. But you've got to do it within 2 weeks. And once you do that, I'll get $5. So that's awesome. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.